extended lower control arms. Extended these johns half an inch. So I had to use 2 sets to make it work because I really didn't want to do 2 welds. Something like that. I don't know. Can't remember. But half-inch extended lower control arms to fix my axle binding. Pretty bad oil leak. Just gotta knock these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All it is for the lower control arm. Hopefully I don't get any issues with this part. Can never remember what it's called. Alright, my camera died, taking off the low control arm, but new battery. I didn't realize it till after. The new bushings from Amazon that took 2 weeks to get here. And grease. Just a wee bit of grease so it doesn't go in dry. Ooh. Boom. Ouch. That freaking hurt. Oh my God. I was struggling real bad. It was just all bad. I accidentally popped my axles out, so I had to take the boot off because I tried pushing it back in, couldn't get it in. Tried like trying to massage all the little bearings and put them in, couldn't get it in. Ripped the boot out, was able to get it in. Just need a little whack on the top. But I got it in, boots back on, axles in right now. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. There's a lot of camber. This thing was a pain in the butt just to do. Super annoying because I scrape a lot on my lower, my subframe, so it's pinched in and crumpled in. So that was annoying. I could just tell this side's gonna be a lot worse, to be honest, because this side's I always hear this side smacking before I hear the other side. So
hey, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari. My young Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari truck, Ferrari.
okay, so I made a little oopsie and deleted some footage of the whole extended lower control arm install. It was my fault. I don't know what I was doing. Deleted it on accident. Since I didn't get enough footage, and I don't want to like upload a 4-minute video, I decided to do a little wombo combo for y'all, and install oil catch can. I bought this on Amazon for like 30 bones. Evil Energy oil catch can. Evil catch can. And that was gonna be like at least to finish off the video. A little something light, something easy, you know. But my motor decided to have rod knock. I noticed a little knocking sound when I was driving, and I thought it was my valve flash because I really needed to do that. But it was rod knock. Yeah, not good. Low-key cooked myself. Now I have an excuse to put some money into a motor, learn how to build it, learn everything. And yeah, kind of sucks, but I also was supposed to replace my clutch and timing belt. So I bought a timing belt and I bought a clutch. I was just waiting on getting a pilot bearing and a flywheel and a clutch master cylinder. So I was going to pull that transmission out, knock it out within a weekend, post a video, but now gotta wait. I have a Y7 block with a blown head gasket that came out of the sedan, and I was just probably gonna clean it up, fix it up, check everything out, throw some bearings in it, some piston rings, slap my head on it, or I have another head too, VTEC head, so little mini-me swap. But try to do it within this month at least, hopefully. No guarantees though. But I want to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. Gotta fix this car, so might as well record it. Alright, peace out.